Dear brothers and sisters, we are really lucky to have Sunnah with us. Prophet ﷺ has guided us and told us in every part of our life what to do, what not to do, and how to do it. For example, how should we sleep? Prophet ﷺ, whenever he used to go to bed, he used to recite,
Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya.
with your name, O Allah, I die and I live. And whenever he used to wake up from his bed, he used to say,
Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhi nushur.
what's the meaning? All the praise are for Allah who has made us alive after He made us to die or to sleep, and unto Him is the resurrection. Dear brothers and sisters, in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says very clearly, every night when we go to sleep, He takes our ruh. In a way, we are dead. In a way, we are dead. And then when we wake up, He returns the soul to us. Dear brothers, medically is also proven that the way the Prophet ﷺ has slept, he used to sleep with his right hand under the cheek on the right hand side, which is medically proven to be the best way of sleeping. Dear brothers, understand, have commitment to follow the Sunnah in every phase of our life. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi